gents, time for a bit more front yard wheeling here. I have 4 trails in my front yard. 3 of them I haven't been able to make it through without pulling cable. It's really slippery out today, and I'm by myself, so odds aren't really looking all that much better, but we'll give it a try. I cut 2 new trails the other day, filmed it. As of this recording, I'm not even sure if I'm gonna show that. It was just stupidly rainy, stupidly wet, stupidly hard to film, so didn't see much. It was a poor show, but we got a sunny day, so we'll go see if we can conquer a couple of these trails. Take you guys for a tour. Set some things up Survivor Man style here to try to get some film for you guys. I should also say this is the only trail on the property I've been able to get through without winching. Coming down, going up, no bueno for this fat girl, not yet. Okay, camera. So we're gonna rip back up to the house, grab a quick lunch, and then we're gonna head down there, which is the happy hour trail. We just came up that one. So I should just loop around and head down, but it's lunchtime. We'll spin her back to the house, fire up the cameras again shortly. So, tried to drive over the stump 3 times down and once up, and I've yet to do it without needing a winch. But I think I got to figure it out today. Just hit it with more speed. I'm hoping if I hit it with a bit of juice, I can air the front tire out and get over this stupid hump, which I keep getting hung up right where my front drive shaft goes in my belly pan. So if I can get a little bit past it, should be good. Oh, I'm stoked on that ridiculous move. I don't know how it looked. Sure wasn't very clean, but it bounced me through. Awesome. Stoked. I'm stoked. That's a clean run through the happy hour trail, which I haven't done yet. Hadn't made it over that stump without getting stuck. So super stoked on that. And we're gonna continue on up onto the berm and then onto my big gnarly off-camber drop. Well, I'm old, so I'm getting a little tired from all this back and forth with cameras. So you guys get to ride up the driveway with me. Sorry, the start of the trail, not the driveway. Snap. Okay. Here's this drop. You can see the nasty mess I made out of it last time when I was winching up it, because I don't think my rig can drive up that. The camera doesn't do it justice. Never really looks as steep as it is. But anyways, we're gonna go from there down over those rocks, of which I got stuck on last time. So we're gonna try not to do that again. So we're not going to go forwards anymore, because my oil pan's right there. But we'll see. We'll see what happens. off that. I'm super stoked on that. That was taking a double O. That was 3 pretty clean-ish runs. 3 out of the 4 trails. The 4th trail heads along the creek there, and then it ends up going up over Donald Stump, which it's not happening today. It's real greasy, but I'll film that one another day. We'll get her shown, but stoked on the day of wheeling. I'm happy I have not had to pull cable on anything, which is a win in my books. Cheers, gents. That was a good time out on the trail. Had to do a little bit of the survivor man action, setting up cameras and zap strapping them to tree, or ratchet strapping them to trees, but hopefully it turned out. Looked like Bozzy had fun. So cheers. Tune in next time. We'll run a couple of trails the other way, because we can always run them in reverse. So just because I did them once doesn't mean I'm going to do them again. And I might have to update my turbo driver decal on my helmet, because I don't know, didn't do too bad today. Right on. Just pushing buttons, flipping switches and stuff. Give us some gas. Oh, he's gonna try it. Attaboy.